Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to My Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this jerk spiced grilled barbecue chicken with a spicy peach barbecue glaze using my Ninja Foodie grill. Today's video is a little bit different because it's in collaboration with Mack's Kitchen and Grill. This man gets down in the kitchen, making delicious soul food and grilling recipes. I highly recommend that you stop by his channel and tell him that Crystal sent you. He's also going to be making a grilled chicken, but instead of using a kitchen gadget like myself, he's using a traditional grill. I will link his video up above and down below in the description box, so make sure you go watch his video. Okay, let's get started. So I'm starting off with this washed whole chicken, and this is going to be a spatchcock chicken. I am removing the back, so this will help the chicken cook faster, and it'll also help it fit in my grill better because this is a big chicken. This is like over 6 pounds. I don't recommend you make a chicken this big, but my chicken is big. So I'm pressing down on the breast to flatten out the chicken, and now I'm using a butter knife to lift the skin up from the breast. So first we're going to start off by liberally spraying the chicken with some canola oil and then liberally seasoning the back and inside with some kosher salt, followed by some freshly ground black pepper. So because sometimes I could be a little extra, I'm using 2 different jerk seasonings. Now, you don't need to use 2 different seasonings, but if you have more than one, hey, use them. That's more flavor, right? So we're going to liberally season our chicken with the jerk seasoning. Then we're going to turn it over. And now I have this coconut infused black sea salt made by Saltopia. And I am going to place this on top of the breast and under the skin. And I'm going to massage that in really well. That's going to be an added layer of flavor to this chicken. And then we're going to spray it with oil, season with salt, pepper, and then the jerk seasoning. Once your chicken is nice and seasoned, go ahead and transfer it to a plate, cover it, and then pop it in the fridge for at least an hour, but overnight is best. And now let's go ahead and preheat our grill. Heat your grill to the max temp, and then if you're using a temperature probe, set it to 170 degrees. Once your grill is preheated, very carefully add your chicken to the grill. Very carefully, it's very hot in there. So I'm going to tuck the wings behind the breast, and then I'm going to let this grill do its thing. So once the chicken is inside, go ahead and reduce the grill temperature to low. So I'm going to work on the sauce. I have some peach preserves and some barbecue sauce. And then I'm going to add in a little tiny bit of some ground ginger and some ground allspice. Then I'm going to add in some ground nutmeg, followed by some ground cinnamon. And then we're going to add in some granulated onion, granulated garlic, some stone ground mustard, followed by some light soy sauce. And then I almost forgot, but to make it spicy, you need a little heat. So some crushed red pepper flakes. Mix that together, sit it to the side. So this is what the chicken looked like after about 15 minutes. Now this was almost a 7-pound chicken, way too big for the grill because it's actually kind of touching the top. So go smaller. This is when the chicken was done cooking. It had reached 170. I did double check the temperature with my digital thermometer just to be sure. But now it's time to add the glaze. I didn't add this before because I didn't want it to burn. So add the glaze, and then we're going to air crisp at 450 degrees for about 5 minutes or so. I didn't really time it. It was just, I did it until it looked good, until the sauce was nice and caramelized. So that's it. Let your chicken rest for about 10 minutes, and then it's time to serve it up. So what did you think of this video? Well, if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up as it really does help out my channel and it's greatly appreciated. Don't forget to go stop by Mack's Kitchen and Grill and watch his video. And if you're here and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and tap that button and click that bell so you know every time that I upload. As always, thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!